How to use MailerLite. MailerLite, as we all know, is among the best and easy to use email marketing software, which features like newsletter creation, website and landing page building, and e-commerce product selling. As the feature extend beyond email marketing, user can collect across channels data and set targeted emails. So it's a very unique and very easy to use software that you can use for your business. So let's get started. So first of all, if you'll open the MailerLite website, you will be redirected to this page where you have to sign up, or if you already have an account, you just have to go ahead and click on log. So I'm gonna click on sign up for free. Now here you have to mention your details like your company name, your email address, and you have to set up a password. So I'm gonna quickly fill in all these details and just click on create my account. You can also sign up through your Google or your Microsoft. Now as you can see that we are redirected to the MailerLite dashboard, and here on the left hand side you will see all these options, and on this page you can see your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and there are so many options available at the left hand side of the page. So as you can see, there is dashboard, campaign, subscribers, forms, sites, automation, account settings, integration, file manager, my templates. We're gonna go through all of them one by one. So first of all, you have to complete your profile. So for that, I'm just gonna click on the profile icon at the top right and just click on my profile. Now we have to complete our profile. We have to add our basic information like our first name, last name, email address, password, and two-factor authentication. I'm also gonna select dark mode. You have to read the spam policy of MailerLite. And once you read it, just check the box that you have read all the conditions and just click on save change. So as you can see that there are so many options available, and that you can create a campaign, subscribers, forms, sites, and automation using MailerLite. If you want to create a email marketing campaign, just click on campaign and just go ahead and create a campaign. I have a detailed video on my channel on how you can create an email market campaign using MailerLite, so you can watch that. I will link the video in the description down below or in the card. Likewise, you can go ahead and create forms, sites, automations, account setting, integration, file manager, and my templates. And in the site, you can create a custom site using MailerLite. And when you are doing editing using any given template, it's a very regular drag and drop feature that are available in the MailerLite, which makes it even more easier. So this is basically how you can use MailerLite. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.